Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in bio class. Today we are going to discuss second type of simple permanent tissue colon-chyma. Second type of simple permanent tissue, that is colon-chyma. First type कौन सी थी? Parenchyma. Second type कौन सी डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं? Colon-chyma. These types of tissues are present in leaf stalks. Leaf stalks में ये tissues present होते हैं. And structure of the cells of this tissue, that is colon-chyma tissue, are living. नोट करते जाइए बेटा, ये इनके सेल्स क्या होते हैं? लिविंग, elongated. First point, the cells of this tissue are living. Second, elongated. Third, irregularly thickened at the corner. इनके corners पे यहाँ पे thickness होती है, and these thickness are irregular. Irregularly thickened at the corner. Fourth point, there is very little intercellular space. There is a very little intercellular space between the cells. Occurrence, it is found in leaf stalk. Structure, the cells of this tissue are living, elongated and irregularly thickened at the corner, and there is very little intercellular space. Next, functions of colon-chyma. Colon-chyma provides mechanical strength. First function, it provides mechanical strength. जहां पे colon-chyma tissues present होते हैं, वहां पे क्या होती है? Mechanical strength, and they provide flexibility. अब यहाँ पे प्लांट के लीफ स्टॉक पे क्या होती है? फ्लेक्सिबल होता है. It provides flexibility and allows the bending of parts where it is present without breaking. Without breaking. यहाँ पे colon-chyma present होते हैं, वो पार्ट फ्लेक्सिबल होता है, इजीली बेंड हो सकता है और ब्रेक नहीं होता है. These are the three functions of colon-chyma that is given in your NCERT book. Provides mechanical strength. Second, provide flexibility. Third, allows the bending of plant parts without breaking. Note कीजिए बेटा, occurrence, it is present in the leaf stalk. Structure, the cells of this tissue are living, elongated, irregularly thickened at the corner, and there is a little intercellular space. 4 points आपने याद करने हैं स्ट्रक्चर में. लिविंग, elongated, irregularly thickened at the corner. Fourth, little intercellular space. Okay, three functions: provide mechanical strength, provide flexibility, allows the easy bending of the parts without breaking. Learn कर लीजिए बेटे ये slide. Colon-chyma, the second type of simple permanent tissue. Colon-chyma, COLLENCHYMA. If there is no doubt, then raise your hand. The third type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. Third type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. Simple permanent tissue. SCLERENCHYMA, sclerenchyma, present in the stem around the vascular bundles. Present in stem around vascular bundles. Vascular bundle क्या होते हैं? Xylem and phloem. Complex permanent tissue है ये हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू में. It is present in stems around vascular bundles and in the veins of leaf. In the veins, these are the veins. In the veins of leaf. And it is present in a hard covering of seeds and nuts. Note कर लीजिए बेटे तीनों points. It is present in stems around vascular bundles. It is present in veins of leaves. And it is present in the hard covering of seeds and nuts. Next discuss करते हैं इसकी structure. First, dead होते हैं ये cells. Second, long and narrow. Long and narrow. Third, walls are thickened due to lignin. Walls are thickened due to lignin. What is the lignin? It is a chemical substance which acts as a cement and hardens them. Lignin, a chemical substance which acts as a cement and hardens them. Now these walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. These walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. Structure के क्या points हैं? Dead. Second, long and narrow. Third, walls are thickened due to lignin. Lignin, a chemical substance which acts as a cement. And these walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. Now next, functions of sclerenchyma. First, it makes the plant hard and stiff. It makes the plant hard and stiff. Second point, provides strength to plants. It provides strength to plants. Third, provides protection. इस स्लाइड पे हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है? स्क्लेरेंकाइमा, थर्ड टाइप ऑफ सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यू. कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? In the stems around the vascular bundles, in the veins of leaves, and in the hard covering of seeds and nuts. Structure, long and narrow. Walls are thickened due to lignin. What is lignin? It is a chemical substance which acts as a cement. The walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. Functions of sclerenchyma, it makes the plant hard and stiff. Second, provide the strength to plant. Third, provides protection. Note कीजिए बेटे points. और साइड बाय साइड में लर्न भी करते चाहिए. Now check the same topic from your NCERT book. simple permanent tissue. Page number 71. Page number 71. पेज नंबर 71 क्या लिखा आपकी बुक में? द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन प्लांट इज ड्यू टू द अनदर परमानेंट टिश्यू दैट इज कोलनकाइमा. ठीक है, अब आपकी बुक में सेपरेट कोई हेडिंग नहीं है, इन बिटवीन यहीं पे एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. ठीक है, क्या लिखा आपकी बुक में? द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन प्लांट इज ड्यू टू अनदर टाइप ऑफ simple permanent tissue that is collenchyma. It allows the easy bending in the various parts of the plant, that is leaf and stem, without breaking. It also provides mechanical support to plants. We find this tissue in the leaf stalk below epidermis, and the cells of this tissue are living, elongated, irregularly thickened at the corner, and there is a very little intercellular space. Okay, it means जितने भी पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे आपकी बुक में लिखे हैं वही हमने स्लाइड पे लिखे थे, लेकिन उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखा. पहले मैंने क्या लिखा था कि द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ इज कोलन काइमा. ठीक है, फिर हमने क्या लिखी? अकरेंस कि कहां प्रेजेंट होता है. दिस टिश्यू इज प्रेजेंट इन द लीफ स्टॉक. फिर हमने स्ट्रक्चर्स के ये पॉइंट्स लिखे. द सेल्स ऑफ दिस टिश्यू आर लिविंग, elongated, irregularly thickened at the corner, and there is a very little intercellular space. फिर उसके बाद हमने स्लाइड्स पे फंक्शन लिखे हुए थे. फंक्शन क्या है? इट प्रोवाइड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, it allows the easy bending in the various part of the plant without breaking. Third function, it provides mechanical support to plants. सेम आपकी एनसीईआरटी बुक में लिखा है, मार्क कर लीजिए बेटे. अकरेंस, स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ कोलनकाइमा, सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यू. और आपने इसके डायग्राम्स भी बनाने हैं अपनी नोटबुक पे. This is a collenchyma. This is a collenchyma. First is transverse section. Second is longitudinal section. Right? Next, page number 72. NCERT book. The another type of permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. That is third type of simple permanent tissue. Is sclerenchyma. Spelling याद कीजिए, SCLERENCHYMA, sclerenchyma. अब ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? वो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है इस पैराग्राफ में. This tissue is present in stems, around vascular bundles, in the veins of leaves, and in the hard covering of seeds and nuts. This is the occurrence of sclerenchyma. This tissue is present in stems, around vascular bundles, in the veins of leaves, and in the hard covering of seeds and nuts. Next, structure. यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. The cells of this tissue are dead, long and narrow, as the walls are thickened due to lignin. Lignin, a chemical substance, acts as cement and hardens them. These walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. ये तो होगी स्ट्रक्चर स्क्लेरेंकाइमा. ओके, देन फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट फंक्शन देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा है, इट इज द टिश्यू विच मेक्स द प्लांट हार्ड एंड स्टिफ. फर्स्ट फंक्शन हो गया, इट मेक्स द प्लांट हार्ड एंड स्टिफ. वी हैव सीन द हस्क ऑफ कोकोनट. ये बड़े एग्जांपल याद कर लीजिए इसको, ये स्लाइड पे नहीं हमने लिखी थी. हस्क ऑफ कोकोनट. सेकंड फंक्शन देखिए लास्ट में लिखा है, It provides strength to plant parts. जितना भी स्लाइड पे हमने आपको क्लियर किया है, जितना भी स्लाइड्स पे हमने लिखा था, दैट इज ऑल फ्रॉम दिस एनसीईआरटी बुक. बस हमने इसको रीअरेंज किया है कि पहले हमने क्या लिखा, अकरेंस, देन स्ट्रक्चर, देन फंक्शंस. Third type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. It is present in the stems, around vascular bundles, in the veins of leaves, and in the hard covering of seeds and nuts. The cells of this tissue are dead, narrow and long and narrow, and the walls are thickened due to lignin. And these walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. Then functions, it makes the plant hard and stiff. It provides strength to the plant. It provides protection. Any doubt in these two types of simple permanent tissue, collenchyma and sclerenchyma? Yes. If there is no doubt, then raise your hand. सबको clear? Plant tissues are two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are of three types, apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem. और permanent tissue two types के, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. हमने meristematic tissue भी डिस्कस कर लिया है, हमने simple permanent tissue भी डिस्कस कर लिया है. Simple permanent tissues are of three types, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. आज हमने क्या डिस्कस किया, collenchyma एंड sclerenchyma. एक बार बड़े रिवाइज करते हैं इसको. What is meristematic tissue? The group of living cells with ability to divide repeatedly and form new cell is known as meristematic tissue, and the cell forming the tissues are known as meristematic cells. Okay. Next हमने डिस्कस किया था characteristics of meristematic tissue. The cells are similar in structure, having thin and elastic cell wall made up of cellulose. Cells are rounded, rectangular or oval. Intercellular space इसमें क्या होती है, absent. The cells are compactly arranged. Next characteristics हमने डिस्कस किया था, each cell has large prominent nucleus and dense cytoplasm. Meristematic cells have a few small vacuoles or no vacuole at all. ये characteristics हैं meristematic tissues के. Next हमने आपके साथ डिस्कस किया था types of meristematic tissues. The growth of plants occurs only in certain specific region. This is because the dividing tissue, also known as meristematic tissues. Dividing tissues mean meristematic tissue. Depending upon the region where they are present, they are classified as apical, lateral, and intercalary. Apical, lateral, and intercalary. Right? What is apical meristem? It is present at the growing tips of stem and roots. और इसका function क्या है? It increases the length of stem and root. Present at growing tips of stem and roots and increases the length of stem and root. Next is lateral meristem. The girth of the stem or root increases due to lateral meristem. Intercalary is the meristem at the base of leaves or internodes. What happens to the cell formed by meristematic tissue? They take up a specific role and lose the ability to divide. और यही meristematic tissue क्या बन जाते हैं, permanent tissue. They take up specific role and lose the ability to divide. As a result, they form permanent tissue. The process of taking permanent shape, अब उसकी shape क्या हो गया, permanent, size क्या हो गया, permanent, function भी permanent, and this process is known as differentiation. Very important definition. This process of taking up permanent shape, size, and function is known as differentiation. The cells of meristematic tissue differentiate to form different type of permanent tissue. कौन-कौन सी types होती है permanent tissues की? What are the various types of permanent tissue? Yes, Narinder Kaur.
Ma'am, simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues.
And simple permanent tissues are of 3 types. Name them.
Yes, ma'am. Collenchyma, parenchyma, and sclerenchyma.
First, I'm going to discuss
And
parenchyma. That is the first type of simple permanent tissue. It consists of cell with thin cell wall. Living cells होते हैं ये, loosely packed. Large intercellular spaces are found in this tissue. This tissue provides a support to plants and stores food. In some situation, it contains chlorophyll and perform the photosynthesis. That's why it is known as sclerenchyma. And in aquatic plants, large air cavities are present in the parenchyma that helps to float, and such parenchyma is known as arenchyma. Helps them to float. Such parenchyma is known as arenchyma. Parenchyma of stems and roots also stores nutrients and water. ये तो हमने डिस्कस किया था पेरेन्काइमा में. आज हमने डिस्कस किया है कोलेनकाइमा. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यू कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? इन द लीफ स्टॉक. स्ट्रक्चर लिविंग, elongated, irregularly thickened at the corner, and very little intercellular space. Functions: provide mechanical strength, provide flexibility, allows the easy bending of the plant parts without breaking. Next, sclerenchyma. It is present in the stems, around the vascular bundles, in the veins of leaves, and in the hard covering of seeds and nuts. Structure: dead होते हैं ये cells, long and narrow, walls are thickened due to lignin. No internal space between the cell. Functions: it makes plants hard and stiff, provides strength to plants, and provide protection. सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यू, मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू सबको क्लियर है बेटा?